What's up, everybody? King J Smooth back with another video. But today, 4th of July, man, we got a lot popping today. Right now, I'm gonna start y'all off with unboxing. I'm gonna post up everything that's on the camera, clear the camera off, make sure all the batteries charged and stuff like that, so we can get today rolling. I only got 2 batteries, so I'm gonna have to keep charging them throughout the day. And right now, I'm getting ready. Clean up. Y'all know the baby coming in 2 days. 2 days away, man. So yeah, right now I want to do this unboxing. Hold on, let me get this stuff. I gotta make sure I got these batteries right so they can pop off today. Alright, this one battery. Make sure they charge and reloaded. Now let me stop. Shout out to the man, Omi. But this is the something that I got from the corner store. Y'all remember I was trying to get last time, but one that was gone. This one don't look like that. The other one look like a boombox. That's the one I wanted. That look like a boombox. But this dope too. So it's this right here. This bad boy right here. It's the drum. The AOKO drum. And it's a high fidelity style. It super live USB player, universal with phones, 3D sounds, SD card, you could put the SD card in it, wireless, inline, and it got a mic you can hook up to it. Now when I seen this, I'm like, well, that is kind of better than the boombox. Alright, BT Vision 5.0, input DC 9 volt, 1.53A, battery capacity is 2x, 7.4 volts, 1800 mAh, speaker size 6.5 inches plus 2, so it's 2 speakers. It says wireless range 33 feet. A wireless range. And it says playtime up to 3 to 6 hours depending on volume. Charging time about 6.5 hours. Dang, it takes 6.5 hours to charge this thing. So, but I think you could play it while it's plugged up too, so that's good too. So it'll always be charging. Total consistent power 25 watts plus 5 watts. So that's what's up. Let's see what's on the back. This same thing. Now this would look like up front. It ain't show all that design up front. So another thing I think is, I don't know. I don't think so. But I have put it back in the box. It was hanging up in the store like the other one was last time. Look at this bad boy. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. It's so pretty. My wife don't know I got this, but she be watching the videos now, so. Hey baby. It was $100. I ain't gonna front. It was $100. I gotta get some more money because I need to do some things. But look at it. And then just like the other one, you got straps right here. Gotta loosen this strap up. You got the strap right here. Little nylon strap. Nice little handle right here. I got a speaker right here. Where the other speaker is 6 times 2. See a little tweety right there. So I don't know. And then you got all your knobs and dials right here. They got a lot of knobs and dials. See all that? Let's see, you got the USB, you got the SD card right there, power on off, the plug right here, the scan for radio stations, play, volume, stuff like that. Motion, it got a digital dial right here. Oh, that's dope. You got the audio out, aux, ear mic, treble, type stuff. So dope. So since it's Joe, I was about to say I can sit like this, but you don't want to sit like this. Put that right here. Let y'all look at it real quick. So you get a little idea how big it is. See how big it is? It's about as big as 2 laptops. So yeah, that's what I'm rocking with today. We got a lot planned. I don't know what's gonna happen. I gotta get dressed, but I'm about to cut this grass. I was planning on just getting dressed, but they want me to cut the grass and stuff like that. So that means I gotta cut the grass, take everything out, come back, and then take a shower. And then what else it comes with? Comes with the plug, supposedly. Supposedly, because you never know. Cause I bought this from the corner store, but come with a plug. This supposed to be plugged, and then come with the aux cord right here. This supposed to be the aux cord. Now the only thing about it is, I wish it had like a compartment on here where you put this stuff at. You know what I'm saying? Like the cord and this. So otherwise, you're just gonna have to carry it with you. So I'm finished cleaning up and then go cut the grass. I gotta wipe the kitchen table off, wash the dishes, and take garbage out. So that's what I'm doing. And I'm let the batteries charge up. So I'll be back. I gotta put these things together too. So we're gonna do all that today. Alright, cross our fingers.